pabor ninyo, no? In other way, di kami pabor na manghuk-huk ninyo. At least ba, pizza discount lang mga 50%. Also, Wesley, I even told Wesley, okay, kita kumidyan, mura mangwidyan man muna ako. Ma'am Kariyon dayon, Ma'am Kariyon. Kaya mo na sus, magkagtamang karo, lumipag lang piling. Yeah, diba? Karong di pa nakay ko, kay mura pareha naman ta. Kaya pa na edad. Okay, but when it comes to our leveling ba, mura kundi manggaling ni to asa ibabaw, murag isa kay may maus-os, no? Okay, di ba, Ferdinand? Okay, so, salamat rin, thank you so much. I hope that this time, whenever you have a reunion, please, again, we are very thankful. And yes, we have again. But don't forget to invite us again. Please, it's only 10 years, 20 years, that is very long. So, mo na nag-edad. Mag-curing namin lahat. Much better. Magkaroon yun. The day is 2011, we expect 3 years from now. Honest, Mrs. Karion, ha? Ang kadokan nila ito muna, kung isang pinaya, pero you know. Okay, kusman lang ko, I know that the moment I step on that door, wow, nobody look at me. I was not welcome at that time. Okay, when I went to the stage and then explaining something, nobody look at me because you were afraid that I might call your name. Diba? Is that clear? But deep inside, without your knowledge, I was very happy. Sus, ang ngabuan, hadlok na. Try to remember this one. Dapat tandaan ito that we love you so much. Okay, it was against our will na mga sabat ninyo. We have to force it. Why? We were forced to do it. Kaya nga naman, para matarong mo. Kaya daga na bang atong panahon ng masipat-sipat. Ito, Jonathan. Gano'n, Jonathan. Okay, sipat-sipat. Panahon saman, pagkamag-anak. Okay, that is one. Please. Kana, kalimti ko, ha? Ayaw you, no, please, don't forget that whenever we did it, not only me, I'm talking about in behalf of my teachers. Kami tanan, we love you so much. We want you to have a bright future and, okay, it is realized. And today, you are now somebody whom we look at. Okay, thank you. I love you.
You love us, and actually all our teachers, we also love you very much. Tough love. So may we ask Ms. Magdalena Medado for your few words.
Good evening, everybody. Now it's been 55 years. When I saw you being header of the Western Language, I don't know if you are doing your assignment. I don't know, as long as I was. But now look at you. You are all very, very successful in your chosen career, as well as in your married life. We are so happy. And I am very proud of you. And I am very thankful that you are here today is share this memorable event with me as one of your mentors. Once more, thank you very much.
Thank you, Madam Medado. And we're very happy that you graced your presence. You graced this occasion with your presence. May we hear from Ms. Perla Dabo.
Good evening, everyone. I am greatly honored to be here with you to join your 25th Grand Reunion. I was so glad looking at you, watching every one of you exchanging pleasantries with one another. And I remember your faces, but sorry, I forgot some of your names. No? You know, I remember your faces because you look the same when you were still in high school, only that you are a little 6 years, and more beautiful, you know. And the ladies were, the men looks as if they are already executives, you know. I know you are already executives because you have your own businesses, and I am so proud to be a part of your life in high school, especially knowing that all of you are super successful in your field of endeavor. Again, I thank you so much for inviting us here, and I really enjoyed this wonderful evening. Thank you, and God bless you all.
All right, may we hear from Ms. Sonia Naya?
Good evening, everybody. The lone survivor of Tong Hong, Cebu Eastern College. I am still teaching until now. I did not remove my uniform till today, the 8th death anniversary of Ma'am Yak, Mrs. Yak. So from there, run away. Okay. I'm inviting people every reunion. We're inviting all teachers, and I'm very happy that I could see you 25 years ago. You were under me in chemistry, okay? Yeah, Bingo, Simbo, okay? With Ma'am Gamorot, Ma'am Lucero. I'm inviting you again. Most of your children were under me, so I know your kids and your parents. I asked them, who are your parents? So wherever they will make foolishness, I will just call your mother or father. Anyway, I'm still happy. I'm still in Tong Hong. I'm inviting you. If you can go to Tong Hong, it's really improved. Well, high-tech, everybody. Or we are high-tech, almost using the high technology. Even if we are already very old, I am also advanced. Facebook, no? Facebook. Okay. Thank you very much for inviting me this time.
Let's hear from Ms. Enriqueta Bonores.
Good evening, everybody. I am very glad that you invited me because I can say your face. You have shared your graces to us, and it is a pride of a teacher that the student have reached their goal, have reached their journey. Your success is our happiness. Thank you.
Our success is your success. We owe our success to you. Last, certainly but not the least, may we hear from our lone gentleman teacher, Mr. Fernando Tan.
Good evening. But what is it? And some teachers who are present. I'm proud to see that majority of you are successful now. And I can say that I am a part of what you are now because you were once one. So I can say again that I congratulate you all and maintain the good work that you have done. Thank you.
Okay. At this point, we'd like to give a response And our class, our batch 86 response will be represented and given by one of our batchmates, Mr. Jun Chong. Dr. Jun Chong.
Well, good evening, everybody. First of all, I really don't know why I was called to speak in front of you all. And then I think I'm speaking in behalf of my classmates, and I really like to give our thanks to you all. And were it not for you, we would not be who we are today. We were actually very successful in our own right. And then I have to say that just like what you have been told us, tough love is not just tough, it's love. And then it carried a long way, at least in my career. When I first, some of you have actually been teachers of all my 5 older brothers and sisters, and some of my aunts. And then when I came to Cebu, the first thing I noticed that, man, this is a place where you eat. Because ang gitundog is ako igsoon, isbol ko no, nas gawas. And then I wasn't really serious about it. And then pag first semester, hagbong gritso. My God! Mga anak, ang deal with my parents is, pag mahagbong, ulis probinsya. Saan man, di matagalang bantik tindahan, eskwela, gitarong. So anyway, I remember one of my best memories was with Mrs. Carion. One of those fat things that you say in the class, Mom, is that she will just say, Elias, maginhawa ko na siya. Blanche, he loves me. But the main thing is you really made a big difference. Because really, the thing is that I myself am a teacher. I not only teach at the School of Pharmacy, I also teach at the School of Public Health, and I also teach at the School of Medicine. And then what really makes a difference is the discipline that you gave us. And I think that what made us better than most Americans that we are with. And that is, we cannot compete with technology, we can compete with anything. And one thing that is, I'm quite sad to say now, is that every parent today only wants to think that basta lang kabong English ng anak, guwapo ng eskwelahan. Sa tong home, bisan nagkahiwi-hiwi ito in English, you can learn it. Once you're there, once you're in the right environment, but the things that the discipline is in your formative years, when it's not there, it's not there. And just like you said, you're our surrogate parents, and especially probably about 1/4 of us are not from Cebu. So without you guys, we would probably be in the wrong place. And thank you for all. So I just like to make a very short presentation, and then it's actually I'm not gonna sing. Actually, I have a slight presentation. Because from what I heard from my classmates, those are my classmates, there's only 2 good things that I'm good at. One is talking, the other one is sleeping. So I prefer to talk today. Ang ino pa nila, di na ako matulog, magluway pag inutulog. So, I actually think it's a good. As a teacher myself, when I give a lecture, I'm not there to just educate the students. I'm there to entertain the students. So, to entertain adults is not easy. So you have to have some sort of like an X factor, and I have to tell you that this presentation is not approved by PCRB. So